Hey guys, welcome to my channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex without any experience, using automation with the help of expert advisors and robots. So guys, this video is again about EFTPA that I made a couple of videos on, and uh, and as I mentioned that I have been trading with this EA since February this year, and I have created a couple of videos there that are there in the description, and there is a link where you can download or you can just check the reports where I traded with. Okay, so generally I used to trade not more than 2 months or maybe 3 months on the same account, just because I want some diversification in terms of currency pairs, in terms of account, in terms of broker. It is just my personal choice, that's it. Okay, and I keep it drawing time to time. So guys, in the last week I told you that I'm about to withdraw amount from this account, and yes, I did that. That you can just check in the just check in the there in this account itself later. And but let me start it from the scratch, from start, so that the people like who are watching my video for the first time about this EA can just see it from here. And guys, like as you can see, like it is from the same account. You can check my previous videos. It is from the same account. And let me start with, we started with around 1447. This is just a random number that I started with, and generally I prefer to trade with at least 1200 to 1500 even for one currency pair. And even my advice, if you are trading with any EA, at least trade with at least 1000 US dollars. That's still not safe, because there any investment is not safe, right? There is always a risk, but lower your capital is, higher the risk you are inviting yourself. Okay, and it's better to start with a strong balance rather than losing small balance uh, again and again, right? Like in case if you are trading with 300 400 and you are losing it continuously again and again, and if you just count that, maybe you should have started with the aggregate of all those losses that you have traded with, say around 300 400, like you deposited 3 4 times. So you already like made a loss of $1200, right? So it's better to start with $1200. So it will be comparatively less riskier. I would not say safe, because forex is not safe, any investment is not safe. So let's just go through from here. I'm starting from the scratch. We started with around 1447, that is what I remember. But in the meantime, we made a withdrawal of 300 US dollars in September. Then I deposited again 300 US dollars. Then in last week, 15th of October, that you can refer to my previous video, I told you that I'm about to make a withdrawal, and I did that. And I also told you that whether I would be taking the entire amount, or either I will leave some amount and keep the trades running. So it was some floating balance was around minus 35 or minus 40 something. So I just thought that let the trades run, and I just left some amount so that at least some trading can be done, and I will deposit the uh, balance amount later. So let's start it from here. From 24th of August we started with. And so guys, this EFTPEA has news filter, and also this has an option where if you want to trade with just one fixed lot and don't want to increase the lot size, it does has that feature where you can uh, trade with that, where you don't want, or you trade lot size will not be increased. But however, I don't prefer that kind of thing, because if the market is in opposite direction, and if you are keeping the same trade lot again and again, right, you don't know like when till when the market is going to reverse, at that point where your TP will be hit. So if you're using the same lot size, it would be difficult to hit the TP that quicker, and see $300 withdrawal and then $300 deposit. So I personally like, it's not something that you should also do, or it's your personal choice. But yes, since I know the market, like how the market is working, and it's very difficult to hit that DP, because I have seen like couple of people like who are holding the trades from 1.5 months, because since they are trading with just single lot size and their TP is too far from where the market is, so it would be very difficult to reach at that point again, because market may reverse at that point, but it can take few days, it can take few months, it can take few weeks, whatever. So it has that kind of option where you can set the fixed lot at a fixed, like if you're fixing it at 0.01, it will open only 0.01 lot size orders. But since this is my real account and I personally choose what I like, so hence I have not chosen that kind of option. Okay, so we are in October. I have already shown you like $300 we withdraw, then we made the deposit of $300 again. And here last week I created the video on 15th, right? And you can just check the account number also, it's the same account. On 15th, if you will see over here, we made a withdrawal of 2000 US dollars. Right, this is the withdrawal, and I just left with 340 or something like that in the account, and I let my trades running, and I know that if my account needed, so I will deposit, so I have deposited just 640 US dollars, and the other remaining balance I will deposit later. But since my floating balance was around -40 or something, or -35, so I just thought let the trades running with that balance amount that was around 340 something, and then I deposited 640 in the next week, and maybe I will deposit some more amount, or maybe I will withdraw all the amount once this trade close. Okay, and let me show you the report also. I have just created a report for my Hindi channel. Let me just, yeah, you can see the date over here. It is what, October 1. It should be October 22nd, right? Let me try to create the report again. Okay, let me try to create the report once again. Oh, I think that that was a different one. Let me just, yes, this is for the today. 22nd of October. I just yeah, you can see it over here. It's 22nd of October. Here we have made a withdrawal of 300 US dollars. Then I deposited for after 2 days I deposited again 300 US dollars, right? And as I told you that that we made a withdrawal of 2000 US dollars on 15th of October, that is last week Friday, and I let it run on just 340 US dollars, and then I deposited $639 again, and I will also deposit the balance one. Okay, so this is the floating balance is around -24 right now, and Magic Jack, over to you. Just wait for a second. Yeah, so this is all about the 300 US dollars that we withdraw earlier in September, and then I deposit 300 US dollars, so it became like this, right? And now I have withdrawn 2000 US dollars. It came over here, not the entire one, 2000. Otherwise, if I would have withdrawn entire to 2400 or 23 something was there, so it should have gone down, but I left with 300 something, and it's there, right?
Fort Worth, Texas, plus 1682255.
So it's there with 300 or something, like the balance is like this. And then I made a deposit of 640, right? So it came like this. If I made a withdrawal or a deposit of 2000, then it would have come like this over here. But I just made a deposit of 640, so it's like this, and the graph is like this. If I would have deposited the entire amount 2000, it would have come like this, and the graph would have remained here like this. Okay, so here is the thing. Here is a profit, here is a drawdown, everything over here. You can just check it out. Okay, everything is there. Close PL 1080. All right, 1080.88, and this is all. That's it. So I may withdraw the entire amount maybe next week, or maybe I deposit some amount. So that's up to me. So maybe next week, maybe I will be able to create video on some other EA, or maybe I will continue with this one. I'm not too sure. And the second link of another account that I'm running this EA is there in the description, where I have not made any kind of withdrawal. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Like in this we started with around 1447, and in less than 2 months we made a profit of 1080.88. that is in front of you. And I withdraw 2000, and I deposited 600 something, so my balance is 1167.59. that's there already, right? Let me show you the running trades also. It is 29.38, something like that. Okay, and in the report it was 24. So like it will keep on fluctuating. Today is Friday, so may not be able to close the trades today, maybe by Monday. So guys, till then, take care, stay safe, and enjoy your weekend, and stay happy time with your family. My contact details, how you can contact me, is there in the description. You can contact me via Telegram or via email. It's there in the description. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.